Fran Lab.
Faming well, she's ignored. Patreon is her reward. Well, yeah, I appreciate the patrons. I'm very fortunate. I've got a tiny little channel, but I've got a lot of support. Patreon has noticed my patronage. They've been in contact with me about the fact that they consider me to be highly successful on Patreon. I guess my viewers to support, but I mean, the thing that's kind of different is that unlike most people who use Patreon, I've really worked really hard at it. I've learned from people on Patreon that most people who put up a Patreon page and get people to put in some pennies in the pot really don't deal with their patrons at all. It confuses me, but I can't tell you how many patrons have said to me that I'm the only Patreon person who's ever messaged them back or answered their question or sent them a thank you. Yeah, I have all this swag, you can get a membership card and you can get on the credit roll. I thank everybody and answer every question, and I talk to all my patrons. It's a big part of my job is just communicating with and taking care of the people that support the channel. But I've worked very hard over the last 10 years to build and hold on to my patrons. It's not a free ride. You really have to work at maintaining a space there for patrons and making content for them and being there. It's sort of my responsibility. So yeah, one of my full-time jobs is taking care of patrons. I take it very seriously. I have made thousands of swag packs with real envelopes and real stamps and put them together by hand, thousands of them, which I've mailed all over the world for the last 10 years. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but Patreon is changing. They've been changing their business model. I'm very leery of the changes. I'm concerned that Patreon will leave me in the lurch, and I've communicated that to them. It's definitely changing into a platform that's designed for the TikTok generation, for people who do shorts and influencers. The thing is, in the e-YouTubing world, we're not influencers. This is why I told the people at Patreon, I said, look, I know you're making the platform into something slick for the beautiful, influential people, but e-YouTubing, we're not pretty. We're not beautiful people. We're not charming. We're not influencers. We don't influence anyone. We're not selling anything. We're not young and pretty and charismatic and all that stuff. No, it's about doing nerdy stuff. It's about projects, edutainment. I'm just concerned that e-YouTubing is going to be put so far in the back of the new Patreon model that we're just going to disappear. We're kind of already at the kiddie table, but I think the kiddie table is being put in another room, is the way I look at it. And the numbers definitely kind of bear that out. My Patreon support is just, my ability to get new people into Patreon has been dropping every year. So there's definitely a point, at some point, next couple years, where it's just it's just not gonna work anymore. So yeah, I'm always worried about it. Losing sleep every night over losing patron support.
In the lab. That's where I work. In the lab. Go berserk. In my lab.